All children need the right kinds of stimulating environments, the opportunities to learn through play that are part of a normal childhood. But those who are exposed to this level of adversity are lacking those opportunities. The focus might be on survival, on basic health, shelter, nutrition, and staying alive. Learning through play builds higher order thinking, and that's how cognitive development is fostered. Playing with others builds empathy and perspective taking. Having the security of adults like a teacher or a caregiver or a parent guide your play also builds that sense of security, attachment, and emotional well-being. Some of the leading economists in the world who specialize in child development recently calculated some of these benefits in the top medical journal, The Lancet. The benefits of providing quality learning environments and support for parenting could improve GDP by several percentage points. The sustainable development of our societies depends on the capacities of the next generation to lead, to provide creative solutions to society's problems, and to build a sustainable planet for future generations. At New York University, our Global TIES for Children Center is the external evaluator for this initiative, and so we're proud to be partnering to lead the research and evaluation for this extraordinary initiative.